guys. I started out cleaning my BK Beauty brushes, and my Nikki LaRose brushes. Well, this is the second set. These are eyeshadow brushes, and I got 5 more sponges to clean. And then I was going through all my brushes this morning. I didn't realize I had this many Sigma brushes. Now, Sigma is an awesome brand. And then I'll take you into my makeup studio, which is a complete mess. I'm not going to show you all of it, but these are the brushes here that I just cleaned. BK Beauty and Nikki LaRose, okay? These are some of the brushes I need to go through. There's some good gems in there like Sephora, Ulta Beauty, Profusion, Morphe. I just need to go through them. And then here on my desk is a bunch just laying. Like I said, it's a mess. And then I have a bunch here to go through. There was some, I went through those, and there was a few Sigmas in there. Sephora, Profusion, Ulta Beauty. I have some gems, but yeah, I need to declutter, and there are brushes with no name on them. So I think I'm going to declutter them. I've used them quite a bit. I'm going to declutter them, but yeah, I have a big mess to clean. Here are a few more brushes here, but this is my desk currently. So yeah, I've got a lot of organizing and decluttering to do. I hope to be doing a bronzer declutter today. Then after that, I may get to the brush declutter before the end of the year. I'm not sure. But after the bronzer declutter today, I don't think I'm going to get to the rest. I know I wanted to do all my eyeshadow palettes, of course, after the new year. A lot of them are going into my 2026 fall giveaway. It's going to be huge. I have a lot of face palettes in the pile already. And then I know a bunch of eyeshadow palettes I am going to declutter into the giveaway. Now, the ones that I choose for the giveaway, they are very gently used. So I will take care into choosing good ones for you guys. So stay tuned. There is a bunch more declutters coming, especially after the new year. So I will see you in the next video. Winnie. Hi, sweetheart. Bye-bye, guys.